Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2017 E300 4MATIC. This one's a cell night gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque. This one does have front and rear LED daytime running lights. Also comes with the sports wheel package, which is going to give you 19-inch 5-spoke AMG wheels. The tires are in good condition. Also has the sports interior and exterior. A black MB-Tex interior. Sunroof. Coming around back, we've got a rear spoiler. E300 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate, set of all-season and regular floor mats. Comfort box for extra storage. Alongside, this one does come with the Premium 2 package, which is going to give you blind spot assist, keyless entry, a black wood trim, Burstmeister sound system, heated seats, memory seats, power windows. Hopping in, we've got our touchpad steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities. Paddle shifters for extra performance, ambient lighting, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for a media display, wireless charging, cup holders, dynamic selects for different driving pads, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This E300 has 40,611 miles. Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this E300, check out feldmanimports.com.